Yeah, up in the juicy beef. When they can get some patty, you them eat off all of the patties, eh? But hopefully, I'm not eat beef. Hopefully they have something for me. Yeah? So yeah, I'm the juicy patty beef. Yeah. Mad, look there. On the menu. Big up yourself, juicy beef. Yeah, I'm gonna eat a hockey patty if I can get one. Yeah. Love a hockey patty. Big up yourself, juicy beef. Mother Road. See me? Mother Road. Yeah, look at 360 at the place. Mad. The juicy beef symbol around the bigger road. Big up yourself, St. James. Yeah, every time. Celebrity things. Up in this. Yeah, so if anything happened to me belly, I heard me last night, tomorrow or anything, I don't know what cause you hear that. Out. So you see this? This is the juicy beef vegetable patty, yeah? Tastes good still. But not gonna lie. Tastes good. I wanted to try the Aki one. I've never tried it. But this tastes good. It's not bad. And that's why I give it 8 out of 10. And you know what, I'm not giving no patty 8 in the world. So this is good. There's always room for improvement. That's why I'm save 2. But it's good. Nah, I lie, it tastes good. You know what I mean? The vegetable turn up. Yeah, man, that tastes good in there. It tastes fresh. Anyway, man, I'm out. I need to yum. You wanna help me eat it? Look.